Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fold your green screen like this. If it's a round green screen, if it's not a round green screen, I think the method is going to be the same. This one is going to be for a round green screen. As you guys can see, this is the green screen that I have. And a lot of us struggle. I read some of the comments where you guys have mentioned that you struggle when it comes to folding this. It's a very easy process. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to hold it from two sides with both of your hands like this, and then push it down like that and keep holding from this side. So now it's going to form a shape like this and it loosens a bit. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you need to hold it from this side and turn it inwards like that, and it automatically folds like this. And if you put it after that like this, it just doesn't move around, it doesn't open up by itself. You'll have to open it up, but that's how easy it is to do that. Don't keep your green screens in your rooms without folding them because they take a lot of space, and whenever you want to use it, just pull it open and you can use it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.